Okay, so guys, this is how my hair turned out. I love it so freaking much. Like,
life without you been feeling kind of strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
hey guys, so I'm starting off with a wig cap that they sent me, and this is their Mongolian water wave hair in 26 inches. This is also 150 density. I did not pluck or bleach the knots on this wig because of the certain look that I was going for. So yeah, I'm just starting off with a basic wig. This is straight out of the box. I didn't do anything to it. And so the first thing that I'm gonna do is section the hair off and begin to cut and style the hair. So the look I was going for this specific wig was like, I wanted it to look like natural hair, and I wanted it to look free flowing. I didn't want it to look like a wig. So I'm going to show you guys what technique I use to achieve that shape. So basically what you want to do is you want to take some scissors and you just want to go in a downwards motion. And in doing that, basically what you're doing is you're making more volume with the hair, and it's giving it more so a natural shape rather than all of one length. And so I just keep doing it all around my head until I am satisfied with how it looks. You can play around with it. You really can't go wrong with this. Just try to be super light when you are going with the scissors. I'm not really cutting much off. I'm just trying to shape the hair, if you guys can see. And it does make a big difference. You don't have to do too much. Yeah, that's basically all I'm doing to achieve that shape. It's just going in a downwards motion. And then I'll explain further when I get to the top of my head. So as you guys can see, I'm basically using the exact same method that I did on the bottom half of my hair on the front, but I'm more so worried about framing my face and shaping the hair around my face. I do go in a little bit shorter at the top, and I flip the hair in front of my face and go in with the scissors just to give it a more natural feathery look for the bang area. Like I said before, I'm just trying to achieve that natural shape and trying to not make it so perfect. So I'm just going back in with my scissors and going all around my head until I get the desired shape. So this next step is optional. Basically all I did was just take a hot comb and just push the front of the hair back. I just felt like that would help me in the install process and keeping all the hair out of my face. Okay, so I put the wig back on my head. As you guys can see, the hairline is pretty full. I didn't do anything to it, like I said before. I really didn't even see a point in doing that when the hair was going to be in my face, but it's optional. You can do whatever you want. This hair is beautiful. You can style it in the middle part, side part, whatever you want to do, but in this specific look, I knew that that was not necessary for me to do. So now I'm just going in, flipping the lace back and putting some powder that matches my skin color onto the lace so that it just makes it easier to blend when I install it. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with that same exact powder and put it all over the wig cap. Now you guys will see me putting a layer of Ghost Bond all over my hairline. I really don't have a specific way in doing this. I just go around right in front of my hairline, and then I'm gonna blend that back and make sure that all the glue is spread it out, making sure to not get it on my actual hair. So after you spread it out, you want to wait till it's completely clear to put down your wig. And so you just want to fan that out, or you can use a blow dryer, whatever you want to do. And after it's completely clear, you are free to move that lace back down on that glue and just push that into your scalp. I like to use a comb. Try not to use your fingers as much because the oils in our fingers can actually cause the lace glue to not do its job. So just try to use something else other than your fingers. And I just do that until I feel as if the lace is as close as possible to my skin. So when I'm done pushing that lace into my skin, I like to go in with some Got To Be spray and tie my lace down with the elastic band. I just feel like that just helps it melt a lot better. And then I'm taking this hair out. When you cut the hair, I don't know why, it kind of gives it a straight look on the end of the curls. So I decided to go in with a wand curler and just go over certain parts and just try to make the curls look more defined. This is optional. The hair is beautiful in itself. You could leave it in its natural state, but I'm extra and I wanted the ends to look super curly like the rest. So basically I just went in with a wand curler and just perfected it. I'm finally taking that elastic band off and going in and cutting the lace. And this is where you want to fix any imperfections with the lace. If it's too glued down, you can pull it up. If it's not glued down enough, you can go back in with some glue, and you guys will see that I had to do that in a few seconds. And basically, yeah, you just want to perfect the lace. It really didn't matter with this lace however I did it, because I covered it up anyway. I still went through the steps of exactly what I do to glue down my lace, because I wanted this wig to last me. But for this specific hairstyle, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, you really don't even have to do too much with the lace if it's gonna be covered up. But yeah, it's just optional. However you feeling, you do what you do. This is another optional step. I'm going in and adding some baby hairs just in case, you know what I'm saying, the wind might blow the wrong way and, you know, the hair flip up. I just want to make sure nobody can see my Elvis Presley hairline. So I went in and added some baby hairs. You don't have to do this. I don't know why. Any wig that I do, I just feel like I have to do baby hairs. I don't care what the look is. I have to have some baby hair. So that's what I was doing here, and I just went in with some scissors, feathered them out, and then I'm going to be using some Got2b to glue them down. And y'all already know how I swirl my edges. It's not in a specific form, but it's just however I'm feeling at the time. And I think I was trying to go for curly edges for this wig just because of what the hair looked like. So yeah, you guys can just see me doing that here. So now I'm just finishing up the baby hairs, but guys, that's literally all I had to do to this hair. I wear this hair and I got so many compliments on it. It's just so beautiful in person. The hair was super soft and pretty, and yeah, I just played with it a little bit more, did my makeup, but for the most part, that was the finished look. Okay, so guys, this is how my hair turned out. I think it looks so freaking cute. But this is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you thumbs this video up. And also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my Kashbabies lit. I'm lit. And if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on period. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.